Dear 2020 graduates, congratulations on this grand milestone that you have achieved. Attaining a degree at a higher learning institution is a great achievement. And I want to take some time to really congratulate you and allow you to really soak up this moment. Now, attaining this degree may be somewhat different this year. You may not be walking across a stage to be conferred, and you may not be with family, with friends or colleagues to celebrate this grand moment. But you're still graduating, and you are still part of a global community of students that has completed their degree. So congratulations. You may know that the University of KwaZulu-Natal has now been ranked one of the top 400 performing universities in the world. So you are attaining a degree from an internationally recognized institution. You have done well for that. As you close one chapter of your life, a new one begins. As a fellow graduate, I want to urge you and encourage you to never stop learning. Don't stop exposing yourselves to opportunity of developing your skills. So be around the right mentors, the right colleagues that will accelerate you into greater heights in your career. As the proverb says, iron sharpens iron. So this is only the beginning of a journey for you. Thank you.